5 body care secrets you should know. Hey guys, welcome back to the SSBeauty YouTube channel, and today we're spilling the beans. Yes, you read it right. It's about body care. So let's elevate the body care routine. Keep watching. Number 1 is supplements and skincare actives. First up, let's talk about nourishing your body from inside out. Incorporating supplements like collagen, omega-3 fatty acids, vitamin A, C and E can do wonders for your skin's health. And it's great to pair it with skincare actives like hyaluronic acid and vitamin C as well. I use the Derma 1% Salicylic acid exfoliating body wash. Salicylic acid and Glycolic acid work together to help me get rid of acne marks and scars. Number 2. Silk sheets and pillow covers. Now this is something all skincare buffs swear by. Silk sheets, pillow covers and eye masks. Silk reduces friction and prevents moisture loss, so you wake up with a more hydrated and less creased skin. It's a small change with big benefits. Number 3. Chemical exfoliation for textured and pigmented areas. For those textured and pigmented areas on your body, exfoliation is the key. Incorporate a gentle chemical exfoliant containing ingredients like glycolic acid or lactic acid. A little hack that I do myself is that I use the Minimalist Glycolic plus Tranexamic acid 11% body exfoliator on my knees and elbows to get rid of dead skin cells that create texture and pigmentation around those areas. I also use it on my legs to stay away from strawberry legs. Number 4. Anti-aging care for the body. Anti-aging isn't just for the face. Usually the early signs of aging start on neck and hands, so you need to take care of your skin accordingly. I like to use earthi's Mahanarayana Thailam for healthy aging on my body. Nourishing anti-aging ingredients help to hydrate, protect and firm your skin. This is an intensely holistic body oil that you need to apply and keep for 20 to 30 minutes before you bathe or shower. It is infused with amazing Ayurvedic herbs. It will make your skin so nourished that you'll thank me later for this recommendation. Number 5. Body sunscreen. Yes, we have witnessed internet's sudden obsession with sunscreen, but that's only because we can't stress this enough. Always wear your sunscreen. Exactly like your face, the skin on your body needs UVA and UVB protection too. My go-to is the St.Botanica Vitamin C SPF 50 Sunblock. It's a mineral sunscreen which doesn't leave greasy residue on your skin at all. And there you have it. 5 essential body care secrets that you need to incorporate in your routine for a healthier and radiant skin. If you like these body care secrets, give this video a thumbs up, but not before subscribing to the SSBeauty YouTube channel and hitting that bell icon to stay updated with all the new videos. Bye!